like going through someone else's album.
Jesse, how does she move?
I'm making fun of everything. Like how long ago are these pictures?
Do you like my hair, Macy?
Like it?
It's my brother. He was in a band and
Who
he
is
had
it?
to
Let
put a
me see.
uniform
That's
on.
Prince William.
Yeah.
Is it Gordon?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, that is Prince William.
Mm-hmm.
Or a Soviet. Part of the Red Army. It's good, that is good.
Instead of going through somebody, and who asked you to go through them anyway?
You're a nice guy.
Right?
Oh, you know what? You're right.
He's just missing his trombone or whatever he's playing.
What? Who is this?
Uncle
My
Gord.
brother went years ago. Gord's now got kids married.
And
Great
they're
husband.
also
At least you gotta know we took pictures.
I know.
Some people don't take any pictures. Yes.
That's true.
We'll laugh for years to come.
Hmm?
What would we do if we didn't have the pictures to look at?
Well,
Now
I
it's
know.
time for fashion.
Yeah. He knew what he liked.
That's funny.
You're just staring at me.
Yeah.
Wow,
it
big
is.
Uh,
And Craig got me that book.
And she
That
likes
was
hats.
very nice.
does she? Do you like cats?
Something dark, eh? Yeah.
Put it on her.
But I don't think it'll fit.
You don't think so?
No.
No, too big yet. Too big. The baby be lost
Aw.
in it.
Kind of a gangster.
Oh, she's really
It's wearing a
doing
bit
well.
crooked, eh? Hey, you want the hat? When do they roll over?
And that's
She's not gonna
Grandpa.
roll over
He
yet.
takes all those
No.
pictures
Okay.
of everybody. But look at all the fun and entertainment.